Today we have a review on Tumbling Stunt car. I'm gonna open this for you guys and show you how to use it.
A few moments later.
These are the stuff inside the box. The stunt car and this rechargeable battery to charge the car. And we have also battery for the controller and instructions if you need help. Okay guys, I'm gonna do some more playing. Not too much money, and it's so cool. It lights up and it moves by itself automatically, and it can ride on one leg. If you like this video, you can also buy a car like this one. Like, subscribe, see you later, bye.